Hi guys, I know you've not seen the up-to-date me in a while because the last video I uploaded was from like 9 months ago, but I just had it and I thought, you know, someone in the comments asked me for that video, so I just thought, just put it out there, Alice, and then I'll upload another video and update you. Here I am now, real time. It's February 2022, I'm about to turn 27 in next week. I don't know. Sometime next week I am going to be 27, but yes, in that video I was still living at my mum's house. I've now moved out with my boyfriend. We live up north in Leeds now. It's very cold, I'll say that much, but yeah, hi. I've missed you. I'm just so bad at being consistent on YouTube and I'm so sorry, because I like love making videos and uploading them, like editing them, uploading them, being able to speak to you. So yeah, I'm not very good at being consistent, but if it's not obvious, with my trusty top on, I'm going to be doing some hair dyeing. So my hair at the minute is just like blonde. My roots are coming through. This actually, like this portion, that's my natural hair colour. Look at my face. The rest of it is like just me trying to make it look like my natural hair colour, which just hasn't worked. But it's just like kind of dull at the minute. I'm getting a bit bored and I don't want to do that because I just want it to be like as natural. Well, I don't want it to be natural. I want it to be nearer my colour so I don't have to worry about like horrible roots coming through, which they're not too bad with this colour, so that's okay. Anyway, I digress. I'm going to be doing some highlights, so I've just got the classic Jerome bleach. I usually get the powder and the liquid like separately, but I don't need that much bleach in my house because it's just going to be too tempting. So I just got this one, which has got like all the elements in it, and it's just one sort of batch. I also got a Jerome toner, which I've not used these before, but I just thought I'd give it a go because it was like buy one get one half price on Jerome stuff, so I just thought might as well. But yeah, I'm just going to show you how I do the highlights. I've done it many a time before. It's very simple. I just get bits, put bleach on it, wrap it up, leave it, and then wash it out. That's all I do. So yeah, come along with me to do that. Hey, so mixed up my bleach, got it in this nice little tray that they put in the box, which is cute, and then I've just done my first bit. I literally just do a nap size, and then I've got a few bits of tin foil down here, and I just wrap it up, put it in the tin foil, and then go. That's literally all I do. So it's pretty easy, but I'll just go through that and you can watch me sped up if you like. So here's my hair. I'm so sorry, I was so bad at filming this process. I don't know why. I really didn't do that much. I literally just grabbed pieces and bleached them. That's all I did. But I am quite a lot blonder now, as you can tell. I had quite a big disaster because I bleached way too close to the root. And I had two big bits like here, proper big blonde bits that just looked awful. So what I did was I just like washed it again, did that toner, that Jerome toner that I showed you before, and then I just let it settle for a bit, and I was like, oh my gosh, what am I going to do? Because it was still bad, and I was thinking I'm going to have to be like dye it again, I'm going to have to get like a dark blonde, and I was thinking I really didn't want to do that, so I thought, okay, what can I do? And then I thought I'll just buy some root retouch, sprayed that down there, I don't know if you could tell, and it fixed the problem. So hopefully once my roots like start to actually grow back, it won't look as bad and I won't need to use that. But it's a good hack. If you bleach too close to the roots, it was like £2 in Home Bargains. Yeah, I quite like it now. I had to get used to it a little bit. But yeah, I hope you really enjoyed watching the video, even though it was a bit all over the place and a bit chaotic. it's just what you probably expect from me now. Thank you so much for like still being here, like leaving comments and watching the videos. I really appreciate that, and I really like talking to you, so thank you for leaving the comments. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.